How to fix the Nest application is not working on your Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are some general steps that you can apply to fix this issue. First thing first, check for the internet connection. If it is strong enough, it should be good to go. However, if it is not, you can switch between mobile data as well. Step 2 would be updating your app to the latest version. For this, open Play Store, search for Nest application, tap on it. Instead of open if update is available, make sure to tap on it. Once done, you can open the app and try if it's working. Step 3. Long press your Nest application and go to App Info. For this, first of all, go to Permissions and then click on the permission that is required. After that, tap on Allow and you're good to go. Moving on to Step 4. For this, go back to the previous page of App Info. This time you have to clear the cache and storage, so go to Clear Cache and Storage. Tap on Clear Cache and then on Storage. Once this is done, you should be good to go. After this, relaunch your application after restarting a device. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.